Function first with the touch screen and also the burst. The burst size inside is 83 millimeter. It's a large burst. Yeah. Also, it has 4 grinding modes you can choose from direct modes, automatic mode, and pre-select 4 modes for you to choose. And also the grinding speed can adjust like from a high speed like about 2000 and to lower speed like 1400. The speed can adjust given the grinding speed. Yeah. Also the port filter is adjustable. You want to adjust it higher or lower, you can adjust it. Yes. This one.